Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, make sure you have the following tools at your disposal: a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely open your device without causing any damage. First, power off your Asus K413E and unplug it from any power source. This is crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during the repair process. Next, place the laptop on a clean, flat surface. Make sure to lay down an anti-static mat to prevent any electrostatic discharge. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screws from the bottom panel of the laptop. There are typically 10 screws, so take your time and keep them organized. Once all screws are removed, use the plastic prying tool to carefully lift the bottom panel off. Be gentle to avoid breaking any clips. Now that you have access to the internal components, locate the flex cable that connects the screen. It's usually situated near the hinge area. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or debris from the internal area of the laptop with a soft brush or compressed air. This will help maintain optimal performance. Next, gently disconnect the old flex cable by lifting the connector latch. If you encounter any resistance, double-check that there are no additional clips holding it in place. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable doing this yourself, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making the process much simpler. Once the old cable is removed, take your new flex cable and carefully align it with the connector on the motherboard. Ensure it fits snugly, and press down to secure it. After the connection is made, reattach the latch to lock the cable in place. Before reassembling the laptop, it's a good idea to test the new connection. Power on the device and check if the screen is functioning properly. If you notice any issues, please keep in mind that we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation. This way, you can have peace of mind knowing your laptop is in good hands. If everything is working perfectly, power off the laptop again and proceed to reattach the bottom panel. Align it carefully and press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Reinsert all the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly tight, which could strip the screws. Finally, clean the screen with a microfiber cloth to remove any fingerprints or smudges. If you prefer, you can contact us for a quote before repair if you wish to have professional help. Remember, no calls, no travel, everything can be done from the comfort of your home. Now that your Asus K413E is fully reassembled and the flex screen is connected, you're ready to enjoy your laptop once again. This process ensures that your device remains functional and reliable. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.